Well, good afternoon. I'm just out in the woods again. I'll start that again. Well, good afternoon. I'm out in the woods again, just having a look around, see what's about. I'm not a great planner, me. I tend to just go out and see what I can find. So it's all a bit casual, it's all a bit unprepared. That's just me, I'm afraid. If I find something, great. If I don't, well, it could be another 5-take video. For insects, it's perfect. It's absolutely still, so I'm not going to get that problem with the wind blowing the vegetation, as you can see. Plenty of things about. Loads of these cardinal bugs. We've kind of done them though, but they're lovely. Don't get me wrong, but we've kind of done them. I'm looking for something else, and I'm using the tripod now with my 5D4 and the 100mm macro. So I'm trying to find a subject that's sitting still, and I can use the tripod and get some decent shots and some nice video, instead of the shaky stuff I normally put out. I found something. It's a butterfly, I think, or a moth. I don't know. I'm no real expert, but I'll find out. And it's sitting still, so I'm able to get close. And I'm thinking now, I've got a couple of shots, but I'm now thinking more about composition. So I'm going to try a portrait shot now. It's sitting on top of a stem of a leaf that's going top to bottom, so I'm thinking try a portrait shot if I can get one. Have a look, see what we got. Well, he flew off in the end. I made the cardinal mistake, no pun intended there, by the way, of getting too close and doing something I really don't want to do, and that's disturb the animal. So lesson learnt there. Let's just try and be a bit more patient, try not to move in too close, because if you're disturbing the animals, it's just wrong. It's not the way to do it, obviously. So okay, I'm just going to sit here for a bit, knee deep in the undergrowth. God knows what's crawling up my shorts, but it's wonderful. I couldn't think of anywhere else I'd rather be at the moment. It's beautiful. What a great evening. Okay, I'm just going to have to change location a bit now, because although it's still fairly early, there's plenty of light left, but where I am it's very gloomy now because the sun's gone behind some trees, the wood over there. So I'm just going to move location, see if we can find somewhere where there's a bit more daylight, and hopefully something to photograph. That'd be good, wouldn't it? It's the whole point, really. Ah! Jesus! Ah! Bloody nettles! That was a double nettles and brambles. That was. Well, this usually happens on the way home. Well, on the way to change spots. I found a very small brown butterfly. I'll identify it later, as I said, because I'm no expert. But he's just sat, just motionless, so it's great. I can try and get some good images of him now. The sun's come out, it's beautiful. So I've just changed location, so I'm absolutely right in front of the sun now. I've always had this idea of catching either a silhouette or something with the sun right behind it. I love backlit photographs, they're great. So I'm just going to sit here for a bit, and I've got a nice patch of purple something or others in front of me. So we'll see what comes. If anything lands on it, it'll just be, as long as the sun stays out, it'll be beautiful, hopefully. Irritating game again. I thought photographing dragonflies was difficult, but now I've been trying to photograph flying insects as well, flying beetles. It's good, great fun, but it's almost impossible. But anyway, I might have one or two, I don't know. Right, I'm calling it a night now. It's just gone 8 o'clock. I've lost the sun really behind the trees, so that's put paid to all my backlit photography, but it's been wonderful. Just on my doorstep again, just a wild meadow, some sun and thousands of insects. Great. So yeah, thank you, and thank you for watching. If you've enjoyed it, please give me a like, consider subscribing if you haven't already. And if you have, thank you again. I appreciate every one of you who subscribes and watches. It means the world to me. Thank you, actually. So till the next one, see you soon.